Hi, let me show you how to upload your game so others can play it. Okay, we're going to begin here in Kyle, and in order to make your game playable by other people, you have to place all the code that you wrote into this one file. Okay, here it's shown as spaceinvaders.c. So if you have a DAC or A to C or sound or switch, all your modules have to be here in this one project, such that the system will be compiled using the standard starter file project. Okay. After you've unmodularized your code and pasted it all in here, we're going to make sure that it can compile, and then obviously you're going to test and make sure it runs. Okay, so now that you have your system here, we're going to do a select all, copy. All right. The next step is to go over to CodePad, and CodePad is a code sharing. It's not part of edX, but it's a way to share code. So we paste right here. Don't make it private because we're going to share it. We don't want to run it. There's no hardware here. And so I'm going to submit this. And so now my code is in a public place onto the cloud. It gave me a web link, a URL, which I'm going to copy. And now I'm going on to the next step, which is to enter information into a Google form. The name is required, but you can call it your name, whatever you want. The email is also required, but you don't. This email will only be observable by Professor Yarabali and I and the TAs. The other students won't see your email unless you include it somewhere in your code. The game description is required, so you get about 500 characters. And this is your advertisement, to let other people try your game. As you know, what I uploaded was just a starter file. Okay. In this link is the URL from CodePad, so this will contain a link to your code on the internet. Another optional field is a YouTube link. If you want to enter the competition, you're going to make a 60-second or less YouTube video of you playing your game, and then take the URL of YouTube, copy, paste that into this link here. All right. So again, there are your name, which you can use anonymous if you want, your email, which you must put, but we won't share that. A description of your game, play my game, it is fun, describe your game so others will be try to be interested in trying your game. Both the CodePad and the YouTube link are optional. If you don't do either, nothing happens. So you can either just upload the YouTube video, or if you just upload the source code, or you can upload both. And then we submit that. After May 7th, other students will be able to have access to both your video and your code, whichever you've uploaded. Okay, that's it. We'll show you some directions later about how to download the code, but for now, that's how we do it. This link right here, if you want to remember it, then you can go back and update or resubmit your code if you want, right there. All right. Now, have fun. Be nice to each other.